Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Will Make. I'm here in SoKnox Studios, and we're going to get going and work with this Creator VST app. This is an AI engine that creates really good melodies and progressions and just a whole lot of awesome stuff. So we have a basic drum loop, drum beat. Okay. Now we're going to see what Creator can quickly add to that to kind of give us an outline of a song here. So you're going to want to load up the Creator. By the way, this is FL Studio, the most recent version. You're going to want to go ahead and add the Creator VST, like one of your virtual instruments here. We're going to go ahead and open it, and it has the default settings here. So we're going to go ahead. First step is to mute the audio coming from it. The second step, pretty easy, is to MIDI output port 1. It's gonna be at nothing. You're gonna want to tick it up to 1, and go ahead and close that. We're gonna open up the instrument. So that's gonna be that VST. The Creator is going to write it. We're gonna have Omnisphere be the instrument that has the sound that Creator uses. So I've created my own synth bass with Omnisphere, and we're gonna go to the settings and go to input port 1. So it's coming out of Creator into Omnisphere, and we're going to listen to it through Omnisphere. So that being said, I have my first pattern here, and I went ahead and put a C. Now, since I'm going to go C, and I'm going to start on that key, or that's going to be the key, we're going to open up Creator, and I'm just going to go to chord sequence. This is going to be the chords that it's going to write, or the notes it's going to write. And I think it may have actually started off on limit, the top one, but I'm going to hit pop. Now you see these letters are just chord progression letters. It's going to be playing those chords in the key of C. So the only other, I haven't really changed anything else. The only other thing I've done is I've turned the upper range down a little bit. And the lower and upper range only pertain to Scalic, and it allows the AI to write within a specific range on the keyboard or in that pitch. So, for instance, if I took the upper range all the way up here, the whatever I'm writing could hit really high notes and kind of really mid-rangey notes. Now, since I'm curbing it down and kind of making it really concise, it's only going to play the notes within that range, which is awesome. So I'll show you an example. I have the synth bass written right here, and we're going to see this is what it does. Default settings using the pop progression. All right, bass. Okay. All right. Nice. Okay, I could hear a hip hop song starting like that. Let's go ahead and get a lead line. So something to make it spicy. So that's a cool bass line. So we're gonna load up another Creator VST, my Creator Pro number 2, and we're gonna go ahead, first step first, mute that sound, boop. And then second step, output port 2 this time. Each different VST, we're going to use a different output port that allows us to use a different instrument. So we're not playing the bass the whole time. So that means, you guessed it, we're going to go to Omnisphere. The other Omnisphere I have set up for the lead sound, which is a Martin acoustic. And we're going to route that to input port 2. So now this is linked with Creator 2. Perfect. So what's this sound here? Pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead, and I've written 2 notes here, and I'm going to see what Creator does with it. So let's open up the Creator 2 and just look at these settings. So everything is the same, except what I'm going to do is, no, everything's the same. The chord sequence is going to be the same on all your creators on this project, because it's going to want to keep the key of the song and everything kind of in the same key, and not be bouncing around and messing up. And that's really going to make it easy, because once you pick something, it kind of you kind of get you just got to get access to that unless you change it. And that way everything will sound like it's in the same key and sound good and poppy. And so I pretty much did nothing else besides put 2 notes instead of 1. Let's go ahead and play this and see what Creator writes for the beat. Okay. I'm pretty sure we already have a hip hop beat. Okay, yeah, I mean, yeah, I'll leave this thing into the artist, but that's pretty awesome. That is pretty cool. So once again, we've only just loaded up Creator. We have the default settings. All I did was kind of move the upper range to create the area where I want my bass to play. And then I hit pop. Pop. Boom. Let's go. That was a pretty quick video, and please stick around and we'll get some more. Have a good day.